Morning! Ayan, as you can see, uwi na kami. So, nagpacking na ako. Ayan, tapos nagpacking na rin si Mr. So, update later.
Right, I'm going out to the car. I'll come and get the shoes first. In fact, I'll take the shoes on me.
What about my squishies and stuff?
Anything to carry?
Nope. I got these.
But you cannot carry that all the way. No, it's okay.
But where's my hair tie? I had it. Oh, there it is.
Okay, we don't need anything now.
Hi guys, we are packing up for leaving because today is the first day of school again because Easter holidays are finished today, so we are packing up and soon we're gonna get into the car. So Mommy's doing all of this work and I'm helping her, so yeah. Especially, I don't know why people do not, because people are just like going swimming or something, but they're supposed to be packing because it's the last day of holiday.
Yeah, but it's up to them, no?
Maybe they can do it in the afternoon, I don't know. But yeah.
Not all people the same as us, no? Dapat man ka lang. So, yan yung ating gamit, no? Ang dami. Ayan. Oh. Si Mr. Lat nag-ano yan. Mostly nag-pack.
I'm
Ito,
gonna pack me in the suit.
Georgie just sitting in her, ano lang. Always sitting here, bam-bam. She's not helping.
I'm packing with, you're also gonna pack me, you know.
Oh, sige, sige. Oh, sige, update later.
Guys, we're back of our packing videos and, well, we just started it today, but we can see now Mommy is nearly finished packing up. She only has like this stuff left.
Yeah, I'm cleaning the kitchen so that the housekeeping is, it's quicker for the housekeeping to clean
Beer.
the place.
No, this beer.
Because we're using it, it doesn't mean that because you're paying, you're not gonna clean. Treat your place like your own. Because it will reflect to yourself. Is it empty? Yeah.
Yeah, it is empty, I think.
Goat.
I'm going to strip the beds, Mike.
Yeah, I just pulled the thing.
Now you have to strip the beds.
Ayan, nag-strip off na tayo ng bedsheet and mga pillowcases kasi sabi ni sir. Ayan, dahil masunurin tayo. So, yun pala, dagdag. Kasi, dati naalala ko nung karawan kami, hindi naman pinastrip off yung bed sa amin. Oy, naglinis lang ako, tapos yan, finold. Kasi alam ko, nagamit namin, finold ko na lang. Tapos, tinanggalan ko din yung sa kwarto ni Georgie. Tapos, yung anak ko na ang videographer ko. Nauutusan na, thank you, Georgie. Pero ewan ko ba sa batang ito, napakakalog talaga. Kanino ko ito nagmana, ano? Ano sa tingin nyo guys, kanino nagmana tong anak ko? Super kalog niya as in. Dami niyang, characters. Girl,
No.
ready?
No.
Come on.
I'm not leaving until this afternoon.
Give me your backpack. Say it again.
Locked.
What's locked?
The car.
Ay.
I'm not leaving until this afternoon.
Thanks for having a wonderful holiday, girls.
Thanks, Daddy, for taking us for holiday.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Halika na.
Right. Come
Sir,
on.
dami niyang gamit, oh. Ako na nga magbitbit. Ako na lang pala magbitbit ay. That's it? Wala na?
Yes. Wala na.
All clear. Wait lang, nag-leak pa yung ano. Wait lang. Ay. Ayan. Bye! Thanks for the caravan.
Lock her in, lock her in.
Starts raining. Too much na tayo, love.
Oh, yeah.
Too much tayo, no?
Yeah, that's why I want to get out of here. There's too much food. I might step on the Sigma food.
Come on, Georgie. I said this side.
I didn't know. I thought
It starts raining, no? Give me your stuff, babe. Akin na isa.
Okay, Paul. My
This
blanket.
one on the side.
Make sure you buckle up first.
She is
You
buckled.
buckle up.
Wait, this is.
We're ready, guys. We're ready to hand over our key.
Let's see what time we're going to get home.
Itong pamilyang ito,
At
mahilig
8 o'clock
mag-interact.
in the night.
No, I hope not.
Yay.
Don't.
Time check, guys. We're halfway. Oh, we're nearly
No, we're
home.
not. An hour to go. We'll be home in an hour.
30 minutes pala. 30 minutes. Nasa ano na kami.
What?
I said an hour to go.
Yeah.
30
What did you
minutes.
say, 30 minutes then?
Ay, an hour. 1 hour pala.
You donut.
Take 2.
Whoa. An hour is now 30 minutes, according to Jessica.
Buang mo na siya eh. So, time check, guys. 12:41. Ano muna kami. Stop over muna kami sa service
Lunch.
center para mag-lunch. Tapos para mag-toilet na din. Makapag-stretch itong long leg namin. No? Dito tayo sa motor service center. How are you, Georgie?
Hello, Moto.
After
Ah.
250 yards,
Good. Busy
bear
siya.
right.
Hi, dito na kami sa service center, guys. Buti huminto kami kasi tamang-tama paglabas ni Georgie sa sasakyan, sumuka siya. Kaya may suko kami ngayon. You feel better now? Ha? You okay to eat? Ay, kawawa man ay. Mahiluhin siya. Mana sa akin. Show me how you eat your KFC.
Other side, please.
Show me.
Wobbly
With
teeth,
feelings,
sorry.
no? With feelings. Because it's very masarap, yeah? Ah. How about the chicken? Oh, it's hot. Blow it first. Dali na.
Huh? Do not put this in the bin. This is my best one.
It's your best friend, is it? Your strawberry milkshake's
She
your
likes
best
strawberry
friend.
milkshake.
Do not put it in the bin, even though I haven't finished it. It's my best friend.
No, you haven't finished it.
didn't
It's
like it.
empty.
I thought you said it weren't as nice as McDonald's.
Yeah, still, this is my best friend. Finally, after a week, we're finally back home.
Yeah, we're home, guys. Finally. Naging 5 hours ang travel kasi nag-stop kami sa service center. Tagal lang hintay ko sa KFC. Yeah, that's another hour. Thank you, Daddy, for driving.
I miss.
Oh, we missed the house. We missed the house.
Looks like.
Eh,
Hey, bracelets.
bracelet.
And a hair tie. Hold on, mother.
Mother knows
Don't worry about it.
best. Come here, kiss ko, babe.
I'm kissing you with you.
It's okay, dali na.
No, no, stop.
Why not?
What am I doing?
Hey, kiss ko.
Just go back.
Kiss ko, babe. Yeah, we're home na.
Tayo pala ito.
Ayaw niya magkisarap ng camera, guys. Pero nakita kami dun sa amin, no?
Wait,
Kiss ko, babe. What?
look.
Yung kadiri. Ano? What do you want? The state of you. Look at state of your trousers.
It's because I float up.
Eh. Dagway. So, ayan. Tulungan ko muna si Sir, no? Mag-unpack ng gamit. it's nice to be back
I'm gonna go straight
home.
upstairs and change my
Trousers.
my
I don't know, I'm going out. So say it again, Georgia, sabi mo?
I'm gonna go straight upstairs. I'm gonna put these away because these are disgusting.
Yeah. Put everything in the basket, yeah?
But
So sabi ni Daddy, check, ano daw? Check the flower daw. Eh, wala pa na ako. Hala, ang ganda ng ano.
What are you doing with the tulips?
Georgie, come here, love. Tingnan niyo yung ano ko, guys. Tingnan niyo yung tanim ko. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, ganda na. Yung roses ko, naglago na. Naglago ko, piste. Ano ba yun? Ay, ganda. Tingnan natin sa kabila. Ganda. Buti na ulan. Na ano siya, na daligan ba? Ha? Ay, na-miss ko yung bahay, guys. Yan, mag-unpacking muna ako, guys, ha? Hi, guys. Nakapag-unpack na tayo lahat, no? So, pagdating namin, unpack agad. Mga 2 hours din ako nag-unpack ng mga gamit. Salang nilaba-labahan. Tapos, kakaupo lang namin mag-asawa. Nagkape kami. Tapos ngayon, natapos yung ating first batch na labahin at tayo magsasampay na. So, mabilisan to. Tapos magluluto ako ng dinner ni Georgie. Tapos after kong nag-unpack, guys, kasi ang dumi kasi ng bahay ba. Daming alikabok, no? Kahit pulang tao. So, nag-vacuum ako after ko nag-unpack. Nag-vacuum lang ako kasi parang nakakaangilo. Apakan yung sahig. Kahit yung ibang part ng sahig may carpet, maramdaman or ma-feel mo yung ano ba, parang may nanunusok. So, si Georgie nandun sa labas, nakipaglaro sa kapitbahay namin. Tapos sumunod yung daddy after magkape ni Mister. Sumunod. Kasi iba talaga kapag instinct ng magulang, no? Narinig kasi ni Mister na may umiiyak. Sabi niya, check mo nga. Tayo ka nga sa garden kung ano may umiiyak na bata. Eh wala naman. So sabi niya, labasin mo, tingnan mo doon. So si Georgie nga na balintong sa bike niya. Nagkagasgas siya, guys. Nagkagasgas. So, anyway, tomorrow, back to school, back to work na. So, kailangan i-ready ko lahat ng aming susuotin at yung gagamitin bukas. So, habang nasa labas yung dalawa, magsasampay ako ng labahin. Tapos, magluto ng hapunan. Si Georgie nag-request ng munggo. So, tama. Kung magmunggo siya ngayon, pabaunan ko na lang siya ng munggo. Kaya lang, wala akong sahog ba. Tamad naman ako pumunta ng grocery, magbili ng manok. Pero, okay lang kahit walang sahog naman. Kumakain naman si Georgie kahit walang sahog. Tignan yung halaman ko, guys, nalutay-tay. Pero yung iba naman, okay pa siya kasi may nilagay ako ba. So, nadiligan ko na yan. Tapos, yung iba kasi, ayan, yung iba okay naman. Kasi nilagyan ko ng ganito, guys, Ito, nag-drain na siya. Ito, nag-drain. Ito ang nilalagay ko, guys, pag nag-holiday kami para at least kahit paano may ma-absorb siyang water ba. So 1 week kaming wala. So nag-dry siya. Pero at least hindi nalutay-tay ang ating halaman. Pero isa lang yung nalutay-tay. Ayan, okay na siya, Ayan, so far. Ayan. So ito din, nag-drain siya. Ayan. Yung mga okay lang yan. Kung isang once a week lang diligan. Tapos ito, pagbalik namin, guys, ito siya. Yung Ito. Ayan, namulaklak. Ang bilis niyang humaba. Alam niyo ba guys? Ano to? Halaman to ni, ni late father-in-law. Dati pag bibisita ako sa kanya, sabi niya, Jess, diligan mo yung halaman, paunti-unti lang yung tubig ha. So ayan, kinip ko siya. Yung iba, ayaw kasi ni Mr. kasi ito kasi naglutay-tay ba? Pero ang ganda ng bulaklak niyan. Kaya kinip ko siya. Yung isa nasa labas, tumubo. Andito pala yung isa, yung nasa labas, tumubo. Oh. Kunin ko nga to. Ito, tumubo siya. Oh. Ayan, tumubo. Mahaba buhay dito eh. Ayan. Ko nga to, lipat ko nga to. Kasi tumubo eh. Para may, ayan. Diyan ka muna. Huwag yung tissue lagay dyan. Diligan ko pa din yan. Pakunti-kunti lang. Pag indoor plant. Ayan. Yung aking hindi mineral water yung panlili ko ha. Yung sa tap water ko lang yan kinuha. Tapos dito tingnan ko nga. Meron pa natira kunti. Ayan siya guys. Ito daligan natin. Ayan. Oops. Tingnan ko. Ayan. Nag-dry na siya I-drain ko na lang to. Ayan. Ayan siya pa. Kunti-kunti lang siya guys. Kaya sa mga dyan, may mga indoor plant, tapos umalis kayo ng bahay nyo ng matagalan. Ganito gamitin nyo guys. Ayan. Lalo kung wala kayong maiwan sa bahay ba, para mag-delete ng halaman. Diyan muna yan. After niya maglaro sa labas guys, ayan. Inayos niya yung gamit niya. Tignan mo, sulat niya. Do not touch. This is George's Street Bear collection. Your collection is wrong spelling. So, you are not allowed to touch unless you ask permission. Your permission is wrong spelling.
At least only got 2 spellings.
So, can I see your collection? Ayan yung collection niya. Ayan. Ayos yung gamit niya. Na-miss mo yung room mo? You miss your room?
No.
You don't miss your room?
No.
Seriously?
Yeah.
You don't miss your room?
No.
You don't miss sleeping on your own bed?
I don't know.
Ah,
Why did you take a video with my phone?
wait lang, because my phone is downstairs. You don't miss sleeping with mommy?
Kind of.
Oh, really? Okay, I'll sleep daddy tonight,
No,
yeah?
no.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Pretend we're on a holiday.
No, I can't.
Dali na. So you need to cook pa. Dali na. Come on, dali.
I don't want dinner.
Ligo, no? Shower, school tomorrow. Ayan guys, nagluto na si nanay niyo. Ayan, nagisa ako ng ng munggo. Siyempre, tapos ko pinakuluan yan. Tapos, dinrain ko yung munggo guys para yung sabaw ba clear. Hindi siya yung ganun ka dark. Kasi minsan kasi parang madudumihan ako. So anyway, ayan, ginisa ko yung munggo. Tapos kay Mr. nag-request siya ng fry up. So nagluto ko ng egg. Yan sa akin yan. Kasi sa kanya is hindi ganyan eh. So, ayan. Ready for dinner na. So ayan yung dinner ni Mr. Fry up. For mataas ang cholesterol with baked beans. Tapos yung sa of course, munggo. Ayan. Tapos, di mawawala yung sa ating Pinoy, di mawawala ang rice.
Last night, do you know why?
What?
Yesterday was the best day of Easter. You know, last night was Easter.
Yeah.
That was the best Easter ever. Do you know why?
Why?
The hiccups. It's because that I got lots of. We went to the arcade that we never done on Easter before, and we got lots of toys that we never got on Easter before, and yeah.
For me, it's always the best Easter because we're all together. Oh wow, you love your munggo, no?
Mhm.
Mhm.
I'm gonna eat all
You eat it all, yeah?
3 more, please.
What dessert you want after? Ah, you wanna eat Easter egg? No. You already eat more. Remember, you don't wanna get fat, no?
What is hot?
Okay. So, ayan guys, nairaos na natin yung araw na ito, no? Tingnan mo laki ng ibag ko. So,
This one, look.
ayan, pagod ako eh. Sunod-sunod yung packing, tapos kunting linis bahay, tapos luto, tapos ngayon maghuhugas. Wala raw, no? Okay lang. At hanggang kaya, go, alagaan ng pamilya. Ayan, tapos na rin, no? Natuyo ko lang itong mga nahugasan kasi ayaw ni Mr. yung nakatambak ba. Kasi pag siyang naghugas, as in malinis talaga yung kusina. Walang maiiwang kalat. Steve. I'm gonna hang the laundry first.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Watch that program.
Yeah, then we can watch La Brea because it's only like
We're gonna watch that bread, Georgie.
ang ganda nito guys. Kasi ang tawag nito, nawawala yung watermarks niya. Nawawala yung watermarks niya. This is not this is not a promotion. Ano? No, kintab niya. Ganda. Ano to eh? Ayan oh. Medyo pricey ito. Pero nakasale siya. Ngayon. Pero ang bango pa din. Ang bango niya. So, natapos na tayo sa gawaing bahay guys, no? So, uupo na tayo at manood kami ng program. At saka nga pala, maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe. Kasi nadagdagan po yung subscribers namin ng thankful and I really appreciate those people subscribe our channel. Kasi kahit mga ibang lahi, nag-subscribe po talaga sila. So, salamat dahil na-appreciate nyo yung aming video. Although, kahit may mga bad comments din, may mga good comments din na nagtatanggol, mga ibang lahi. May ibang lahi yung Thank you so much. Ayan. Yan muna ang ating video for today. See you again to our next video. Bye guys. Thank you.